Spinelli. Okay, hey. Where are you going? Okay, you ready to meet the chickens? You're going to meet Randy first, okay? Where'd the dog go? Randy, you don't want to see him? Whoosh! Whoosh! Randy's like, why did you bring this thing here?
Look at them. They're like, what the heck?
Spinelli. Spinelli.
Everyone hears the chickens and they're like, what's going on?
You what?
Everyone is hearing the chickens and is like, what's going on? Spinelli.
Spinelli. Pup! He doesn't know there's more. Spinelli.
Come here.
Come on, puppy.
Hey. Enjoy the fishing fences.
Spinelli. You're so busy smelling them, you don't see them. Spin. Puppy. Look.
Spinelli.
Pup. Spin. Oh. He can only see one at a time, I think. Whoosh.
See? Do you see Summer?
Uh-oh. You might have met one.
Okay, I think we've made our records for the morning. We're just getting all the neighbor dogs riled up here.
Alright, Spin. Did you have a good... Hey. Okay, Spin. Say thank you to your Uncle Steven.